If you just got your Hsility Q16 earbuds and you're not sure how to set them up, pair them, or actually use all the basic controls, don't worry, you're not the only one. The first time using wireless earbuds can feel confusing because everything happens automatically, and if one step is off, they won't connect properly. Sometimes only one earbud works, or the phone doesn't detect them at all. The point is starting fresh and letting the earbuds sync the right way from the beginning. Once they are paired correctly, everything becomes smooth from music playback to calls and controls. Let's walk through it step by step so you get it right on the first try. Try these. Number 1. Take both earbuds out of the charging case to power them on. 2. Wait a moment for the earbuds to pair with each other automatically. 3. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone and search for available devices. 4. Tap on Hsility Q16 to connect the earbuds. Number 5. Use touch controls on the earbud to play music or answer calls. 6. Place them back in the case to disconnect and recharge when done.